Hello children, today we will do the second chapter from your reader book Mix Up at Birth. So this story is taken as from Sunny Day's book, a small extract, written by Sunil Gavaskar. That means this is the story of a Sunil Gavaskar, real story. Let's see what's there in this story. I may never have become a cricketer, and this book would not have been written if my uncle, Mr. Narayan Maswekar, had not come into my life the day I was born, that is July 10, 1949. So this I is a Sunil Gavaskar, and Narayan Maswekar is his uncle. It seems that Nan Kaka, as I call him, Nan Kaka is the nickname given to his uncle, and Sunil Gavaskar calls him Nan Kaka, who had come to see me in the hospital on my first day in this world. So this story begins when Sunil Gavaskar took birth, and on the first day his uncle went to see him in the hospital. Noticed a little hole near the top of my left earlobe. The next day he came again and picked up the baby lying in the crib next to my mother. So what happened? The first day when Nan Kaka saw me, saw Sunil Gavaskar, there was a hole in the left earlobe. Now the next day again when he went and he picked up the baby which was lying on the crib, and what he did, he saw, to his utter horror, he discovered that the baby did not have the hole on his left earlobe. So what happened? The uncle saw that yesterday he saw a hole and now today there is no hole. He discovered that the baby did not have the hole in his left earlobe. A frantic search was made and I was located sleeping peacefully beside a fisherwoman. So he was very worried about where is my baby, and he searched everywhere in the hospital. Then he found the baby, that means Sunil Gavaskar, sleeping beside a fisherwoman, totally ignorant of the commotion I had caused. To mix up, it appears, the mix-up, it appears, followed after the babies had been given their bath. So what happened when the babies in the hospital were taken by the nurse for bath? That time only what happened, this exchange was done. That was really accidentally it was happened, but not nurse didn't have done by, it was the only mistake. I am grateful to my uncle for noticing the hole, for I have often wondered what would have happened if nature had not marked me out. So Sunil Gavaskar was thinking that if the nature, that is the God, has not given that mark, that is a hole on his left earlobe, to him, then it was impossible for his uncle to identify the baby. Perhaps I would have grown up to be a fisherman working somewhere along the west coast. So he was thinking that if he was not noticed by his uncle the second day, then he is thinking that he would be a fisherman now. And what about the baby who for a spell took my place? I do not know if he is interested in cricket or whether he will ever read this book. I can only hope that if he does, he will start taking a little more interest in Sunil Gavaskar. So Sunil Gavaskar is telling that if that incident had not happened and his uncle had not searched him, he might not be a great cricketer. And what about that baby who was now the fisherman, whether he was interested in cricket or not? So he is telling that if that fisherman, that baby, or now became a young man, if he reads my story, he will also have more interest on Sunil Gavaskar. So this is the story of mix up at birth. Okay, that means the both two childs had mixed up during the after the birth on the first day. Okay, now the exercises are given to you. Gavaskar's full name, that is Sunil Manohar Gavaskar. Then profession cricketer, birth 10th July 1949, and Gavaskar's uncle's name Mr. Narayan Maswekar. Okay, now true false is there for you. Sunil Gavaskar would probably have been a fisherman if Nan Kaka had not visited the hospital. That is true. Sunil has a hole in his right earlobe. No, false. The baby got exchanged while they were being given a bath. Yes, true. Sunil was located sleeping beside his mother. False. Now that some words are given, okay, you have to write the words here from the passage. Find out about something. The meaning is discovered. Disturbance or fuss, commotion. Widely excited, that is frantic, and lacking knowledge is ignorant. Okay, now the fill in the blanks are there. You have to fill that above words. The mother made a frantic search for her lost baby in the market. The accident caused a commotion in the market. Now next is Mr. Sharma's dog was discovered sleeping behind the big tree. Mr. Verma is ignorant of his son's report. Now we will do the question answers. First of all, we will do the word meanings. Horror, feeling of fear, whether, in a doubt, grateful, thankful, commotion, disturbance, frantic, becoming, wild, with anger, pain or worry, wonder, discover, try to find out, ignorant, lacking knowledge. Now the extract. You have to read the extract and then answer the question. Given extract is, I am grateful to my uncle for noticing the hole, for I have often wondered what would have happened if nature had not marked me out. So the first question is, who is I in the above line? Sunil Gavaskar is I in the above line. Why is the speaker grateful to his uncle? The speaker is grateful to his uncle because he noticed a hole on his left earlobe. What does the expression nature marked me out means? It means that Sunil Gavaskar was different from other babies due to the hole on his left earlobe. Now the next question answers are there. Okay. B8. Answer the following questions. What did Mr. Narayan Maswekar notice on his first visit to hospital? Mr. Narayan Maswekar noticed a little hole near the top of left earlobe of the newborn baby. The second is, why was Mr. Narayan Maswekar horrified on his second visit to the hospital? On the second visit, he noticed that the baby did not have the hole on his left earlobe. Now the third question. Where was the baby found? The baby was found sleeping peacefully beside a fisherwoman. Now question number 4. What would have happened if Nan Kaka had not visited the hospital again on second day? If Nan Kaka had not visited the hospital on the second day, Sunil Gavaskar would probably have been fisherman. When did the newborn babies got mixed up? The babies got mixed up while they were given a bath. Now the life skill. Gavaskar was reunited with his family only because of the sharp observation of his uncle. Discuss in the class how the simple power of observation is an absolutely skill for life. It is an important skill which everyone should have, as it helps us to avoid any commotion and mishappenings in life. It also helps in doing any work efficiently. Now the second is, suppose the baby with whom Sunil was exchanged reads the story. Imagine you are that baby now grown into a successful businessman with many fishing boats for the deep sea fishing. Taking clues from the above diary extract, describe your feelings about the incident in the space given below. So you have to write the diary entry, okay? For this, we have to write the date, okay? Day is Tuesday and date I have written here. Now, the diary. I was surprised to read the book written by Sunil Gavaskar. I really feel honored to know that I was exchanged with Sunil Gavaskar. I am also thankful to Sunil's uncle for marking us out. Otherwise, had been a great commotion. If we would have not exchanged, our country would have lost a great cricketer. I am very happy with my fishing business. I wish Sunil all the best. Baby, you can write your name, okay? Thank you.